Hi guys, let's see how to import contacts from Excel to Outlook. So it's very easy. What you have to do, let's say this is the Excel file I have. Click on File and click on Save As. And now save it anywhere, but the format should be in CSV format. Okay. So just find the CSV comma delimited. Okay, make sure it is this only. There are other CSV options also, but you have to select CSV comma delimited and click on save. Now what you have to do, you have to just open Outlook. Now just click on the people tab. Now once you are in people tab, you have to click on file from the top menu and now click on open and export. And now here click on import and export. Just click on it. Now select this, import from another program or file. Now click on next. Make sure the comma separated value is selected. Now click on next. Now here are three options. My recommendation is do not import duplicate items. You can choose any one of the option, replace duplicates, allow duplicates, or do not import duplicate items. Now click on browse and go to the file where we exported in CSV format. So this is the file. Now click on next. This will be in contacts by default. Now click on next. Now here's the important thing. You have to map custom fields. So click on map custom fields. Now if we see the fields, there is first name, last name, the address, and the pin code, phone number, email address. So we have to map them accordingly. Okay. If you expand name, now you can map the first name to first name, the last name to last name, whatever field you have originally in your CSV file, and map it to the standard format of Outlook to the relevant sections. Okay, let's say you want this street address. Now you have two options, business address or home address. Whatever is the case, you have to just drag and drop to this. Okay, similarly the city will be added to city. It's your wish. Okay, state will be added to state. Zip will be added to business postal address. Okay, now let's go to phone number. This phone number, let's map it here. Now email address, here it is, expand it, and now type email address. Once done, click on OK, and now finish. Okay, and now it'll import all the things accurately. See, every contact, when you click on it, the email is in the email, work phone is in, business address here. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.